Imagine getting a monthly bill just for using lights, fans, and basic appliances, and still feeling like it's too high. In the United States, many people are facing this problem. But why is electricity so expensive in America? One major reason is production cost. Generating electricity from sources like natural gas, coal, or renewable energy requires huge investment in power plants and infrastructure. Another reason is maintenance. Power lines, grids, and equipment need constant upgrades and repairs, which increases costs. Weather conditions also play a role. Extreme heat or cold increases energy usage, raising demand and prices. In addition, taxes and regulations add extra charges to electricity bills. Some states also have higher energy costs due to limited resources or policies. As a result, electricity bills in America can vary, but often feel expensive for many households. The real question is electricity becoming a necessity people can barely afford? Subscribe for more USA finance and geography facts explained simply.